Hello, today I will show you a few ways you can change the wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy M20 phone. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now, the first way you can change your wallpaper is simply by choosing some empty space on your phone, pressing it and holding for a bit. And just like that, we are in the menu and we can change the wallpaper here by pressing the wallpapers icon. And now we are within the wallpaper setting menu. You can choose any different wallpaper you want. You can, for example, choose this one. Sadly, you have to have a network connection enabled to download some of these wallpapers. Of course, we have a few of already download one. Once you select a wallpaper, you can choose if you want it to be seen on your home screen, on your lock screen, or both on your home and lock screen. I'll choose simply home screen. And done. Just like that, we have a new wallpaper. Now there is another way you can choose. Now let's swipe up and go into settings. And in settings we have a wallpapers and themes setting, and as you can see, this is the exactly same place we have been in previously. And once again, we can simply choose, for example, a different home screen wallpaper. And that's how it looks. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.